So let's see how you can convert your traditional time lapses into smooth time lapses on any of your Bambulab 3D printers from the Bambu Studio slicing software. In the slicer, under the others section, you can find a special mode tab under which you can find time lapse. So on clicking the drop down menu, you have to select the smooth option, and after clicking on the smooth option, you will see a prime tower pop up on the build plate. Then we can slice the plate. So after slicing, we can see that the total time required to print this katana is approximately 5 hours. Without enabling the smooth time-lapse option that is in the traditional format, we can see that it takes 1.5 hours less for the katana to print, and also since there is no prime tower on the build plate, approximately 36 or 37 grams of filament is saved.